This video I will explain the Google Pay and its pros, cons and features. First we will see what is Google Pay. Google Pay is a mobile payment app. Using that you can send and receive money digitally. It works mainly using UPI. UPI connects app directly to your bank account. Google Pay does not store your money. It only helps move money from one bank account to another bank account. You can use Google Pay to send money to friends and family, receive money instantly, scan QR codes at shops, pay bills like electricity, gas, and water, recharge mobile phones, check transaction history. All payments happen in real time. Now we will see how does Google Pay work. You open the app, you choose who to pay, you enter the amount, you enter your UPI PIN, money moves directly from your bank account. Your UPI PIN is the most important security key. Without a UPI PIN, no payment can happen. Now we will see what are the key features of Google Pay. First one is UPI-based payments. Google Pay uses UPI, which means no card number is needed, no bank account number is needed, only UPI ID or QR code. Payments are fast and simple. Second one is strong security. Google Pay protects you using UPI PIN, which is required for every payment. Phone lock, which is additional security layer. Fraud warning, alerts for suspicious request. Even Google cannot see your UPI PIN. Third one is easy user interface. The Google Pay app is clean, simple, easy for beginners, and not confusing. Even first time users can learn it quickly. Fourth one is transaction history. Google Pay keeps a record of every payment, date, time, and amount details. This helps you to track your spending easily. Fifth one is bill payments and recharges. You can pay electricity bills, gas bills, mobile recharges, all from one app. Now we will see pros of Google Pay. First point is easy to use. Simple steps, no complex settings, best for beginners. Second point is fast payments. Money transfers happen in seconds. No waiting time. Third point is high safety. Strong fraud detection, secure bank level checks, and PIN protection. Fourth point is no extra charges. Most UPI payments are free. No monthly fee. Fifth point is no need to carry cash or cards. Only your phone is enough. Now we will see what are the cons of Google Pay. First point is internet required. Does not work without internet. Second point is phone and battery needed. If phone battery is dead, payment is not possible. Third point is limited extra services. Fewer features compared to apps like PhonePay or Paytm. No wallet focus. Fourth point is risk of user mistakes. If you send money to the wrong person, it is hard to reverse. Requires attention before confirming the payments. Is Google Pay safe? Yes, Google Pay is safe when used correctly. It is safe because money stays in your bank, not in the app. Every payment needs UPI PIN. Banks verify each transaction. Most fraud happens due to sharing UPI PIN, trusting fake callers, and approving unknown requests. Who should use Google Pay? Google Pay is best for beginners, daily users, small shop payments, people who want simplicity, and elderly users because it is easy interface. Google Pay may not be ideal for people who want many financial services in one app, heavy wallet users, and people without internet access. What is the final verdict? Google Pay is one of the best apps for simple, fast, and safe digital payments. It focuses on ease of use, security, and speed rather than too many features. The summary is Google Pay is simple, fast, and secure UPI payment app that is ideal for beginners and daily digital payments with strong safety but limited extra features.